Hi, good morning friends. Friends, today I am coming with our body system. So first of all, today actually I will share knowledge about your lungs and your heart. You know, our lungs is how most important for our body as well as our heart. You know, we have two lungs. We have two lungs on our chest region or our thoracic region. You know, we have two lungs. In between the lungs, there is a heart, and that particular region is known as mediastinum. Mediastinum is a particular region of heart in which heart is located. That mediastinum region that found on the left side of your lungs. Yes, lungs, you know, we have right side, another is a left side. So left side of our lungs, that is a special part area is known as mediastinum, and that mediastinum, the heart is there. You know friends, heart and lungs, they are very close to each other. Is that clear? Heart and lungs are very close to each other. How they are very close to each other? Now I will explain. You just listen carefully. How heart and lungs are correlated. How they exchange blood or how they exchange carbon dioxide gas, oxygen gas, everything. Now I will explain. You listen carefully. First of all, you know, we have our trachea. We have trachea, and trachea is connected to trachea is arise from our nose region, and that connect to your lungs. You know, lungs, there are two lungs. That tube is known as trachea, and the trachea again enter to the lungs. Trachea again branch, that is called bronchus, and that bronchus enter to your lungs, two lungs on the chest region. First your trachea, then trachea branched, that is called bronchus, and again the bronchus branch into bronchioles, and that bronchioles scattered the whole area of lungs, and finally the last point of the trachea bronchioles, that is called terminal bronchioles, and that terminal bronchioles having such balloon-like structure or round-like structure, that is called alveoli, and that alveoli is the part of your trachea. Trachea means your trachea first, then your bronchus, then bronchioles. After bronchioles, your terminal bronchioles. On the terminal bronchioles, your alveoli is there, means your alveoli is the main part of your respiratory system, and that alveoli is highly connected to the blood vessels. Alveoli is highly connected to the blood vessels, and that alveoli is very, very important. In that alveoli, oxygen gas and carbon dioxide gas are exchanged, and carbon dioxide gas coming out to our nose, we release to outside. From where? From that alveoli. How that process occurs? Now I will explain. Related to heart. Listen, that oxygen gas, we are taking oxygen gas into our body, and the oxygen gas directly reaches to your alveoli. Alveoli, you know, alveoli is highly connected to your blood vessels. The blood is there, and that oxygen gas is carried by blood and enter to the heart. Direct enter to the heart. That from the alveoli, whenever you are taking oxygen gas into our body, the oxygen gas reaches the alveoli. In the alveoli area, the highly blood vessels are connected, so that the oxygen gas is mixed with the blood and directly enter to the heart. Very important, because heart is just nearby the left side of your lungs. Heart is there. Heart is made up of four chamber. Upper two chamber and lower two chamber. First side right side, another is left side. Left side also two chamber, right side also two chamber. This is basic idea of human heart. Heart is a source muscular. Human heart is a source muscular organ that always help for the pumping of blood and circulate the blood to different part of our body. So human heart has four chamber. Upper chamber is 2, lower chamber is 2. First, blood enter to the lungs of the alveoli to the which part of your heart? Right, left part of your heart. Left, you know, left side of your heart receive oxygenated blood from the lungs. Lungs means your alveoli. Alveoli, you know, alveoli, that part, in that part, oxygen gas mixed with the blood and enter to the left side of our heart. Left side of the heart by blood vessels is known as pulmonary vein. Pulmonary vein. Pulmonary vein play a vital role for the carry of blood from the lungs to the left side of the heart. When the two chamber get full by blood, again that blood come to the oxygenated blood come to the body part. The oxygenated blood come to the body part through the another blood vessels, that is the largest blood vessels, that is called aorta. Aorta is the blood vessel that supply oxygenated blood to the body part. Oxygenated blood. Then body part, our body part, you know, body is made up of cells, and that body part, the cells are there, and that cells require some energy, so that cells absorb or take food material from the blood cells, and they start respiration process or cellular respiration process. So on after respiration process, they release carbon dioxide as the waste material, and that carbon dioxide gas again mix with the blood, and again from the body part another blood vessel is coming out, that is called superior vena cava. Superior vena cava is there from the body part to the right side of the heart. From the body, blood is transferred from body part to the right side of the heart through one special blood vessel, that is called superior vena cava. Which type of blood is carried by superior vena cava? Carbon dioxide mixed blood. Why? Because carbon dioxide gas released from the body part because for the cellular respiration of cells, and that carbon dioxide gas reach blood enter to the right side of the heart. Right side of the heart always receive carbon dioxide mixing bloods or deoxygenated blood. Again the two chamber, upper and lower chamber, get full by blood. Again that move to the another tube is there, that is called pulmonary vein. Pulmonary artery. That is your pulmonary artery. Pulmonary artery carries which type of blood? That is called deoxygenated blood, carries from right side of the heart to the lungs. Right side of the heart carries blood to the lungs through by one blood vessels, that is called pulmonary artery. Pulmonary artery. That pulmonary artery carries deoxygenated blood from right side of heart to the lungs. Lungs means that blood direct connect to the lungs of the alveoli. Alveoli, you know, from the beginning I have been told you already that your alveoli is a main part of your exchange of oxygen gas and carbon dioxide. Now the blood carries which gas? Carbon dioxide gas, and reach to the alveoli, and the alveoli, through the alveoli the oxygen gas again exchange to blood, and this carbon dioxide gas released from our nose to outside. In this way our oxygen gas and this carbon dioxide gas, how they circulate throughout the body along with related to your heart as well as your lungs, I have given today. Actually what I have given, dear students or dear friends, you have to learn and go through your books and learn something as far as you possible. Thank you. Have a good day.